Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with exercise 14.2 of chapter 14, question number 8. 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched the television programs in the previous week, and the results are given as follows. So the first student was not really a fan of television. He watched the television in the previous week only for 1 hour. The second student, the second child, he or she watched it for 6 hours, and so on up till this 30th child who watched the television in the previous week for 12 long hours. So he really loves TV, I'm assuming. Now, on the basis of this data, that is for 30 students, we need to draw a frequency distribution table, a grouped frequency distribution table with class width 5 and one of the class interval as 5 to 10. And on the basis of this frequency distribution table that we draw, or on the basis of this data that we have, we need to find for how many children watch the television for 15 or more hours a week. So what we will do is, first we will draw the frequency distribution table and then we'll solve the second question. So let's see what hint has been given to us. One of the class interval is 5 to 10. That is, there is a gap of 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to see the highest and lowest value. So the lowest value I can see is 1, whereas the highest value that I can see is 15. 17 here. Right, so we will have to take counts between 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and 15 to 20. So let's draw a frequency distribution table. Why am I taking 0 to 5? Because the lowest observation that we have is 1. So 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, and finally we will write down the total. The total will be listed in this cell and it should be 30, because we are taking the count for, the observation is for 30 children. So let's get started. For the first class interval, that is 0 to 5, we are going to take all the values that are greater than equal to 0 and less than 5. So let's get started. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So anything else that is less than 5, I can't really notice anything. So this frequency is 10. Let's move on with the second category or class interval, that is 5 to 10. So values greater than equal to 5 and less than 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 3, 13. Proceeding with class interval 10 to 15. So you have 1, 2, 3. So we are not going to take 15 because we need to take values up to less than 15. So 4 and 5. And finally the last category, that is 15 to 20. So you have 1. Anything else? No. Okay, so I missed out writing here. This is 5, and any data that we're missing? I don't think so. Now this count should be equal to 50. It should be equal to 30. But I see that there is some problem out here. Here we have 5, 3, 8 and 9. So one data, we have one value missing here, 17. So let's strike this off. This is 2. So now it looks neat. That's 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. Then 1, 2, 3. So yes, we have striked off each observation. And now we need to find the number of students who watch the television for 15 or more hours a week. So 15 or more hours is this category, right? because under this class interval we have taken values that are greater than or equal to 15. So this is 2. So 2 students. So I'm just going to cancel 2 number of students. Instead I will say 2 students watch TV for 15 or more hours a week. So we have deduced this value using our frequency distribution table and this entry. So please take a look at the solution. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.